Good afternoon to Rural Living with Paul and Gwen and Lucky. You gonna stay inside, Lucky? I'll be right back. You big 15-pound old cat, you. And I'll feed you, okay? Stand by. We're gonna go outside. And there's Skittles, the old boy. Just fed him. Gave him his insulin, so he's chilling. Hey, buddy. And where's Pia? Where's Pia? There's Ginger. And yeah, I'm the cat man. There's the other stray I've been feeding the last 2 years. I call her Kitty. She'll let me pet her. She's a feral. And I see there's Ginger up in the window. I don't know if you can see him. That's one of the two kittens we adopted. Now they're young adults. Anyway, I'm just concentrating on looking after Skittles. Insulin twice a day. He's had his ups and his downs. More ups and downs, which is good. Oh, there's the other cat. That's the buddy of Kitty. They're always together. Hey, what's going on? You know when it's food time, I've got a catio built in the garage for them. And the black and white one is one of the neighbor's cats, he was telling me. And he prefers to come over here to eat. So I said I've been pretty busy. 5 cats. And that big cat, Lucky, I was going to give her up for adoption, but being a female, being 15 pounds, being about 6 years old, that's a hard cat to adopt out. So she's kind of taken to me. So we'll just let that one be here, and everything hinges on Skittles. Hey, bud. He's doing okay for the most part. He's hanging in there. Most people wouldn't have gone to the extent I've gone to maintain him, but he still has quality of life, even though he's getting the under the skin fluids 4 times a week. Probably if we stopped doing that, he probably wouldn't last too long. So it's a bit of money, bit of inconvenience, but had Skills for 14 years, so now it's my turn to look after him, as I said in the past. There's my garden full of weeds. I don't know what happened. Oh, look who it is. Lucky. Lucky. Are you a prisoner? What are you in for? What'd you do? Oh. What are you in for, buddy? You in for life? And the farmer's got to come down and get the cut the hay yet. He dropped off 10 or 12 heifers, Charolais heifers. They're down there. You can see them down by the trees. And just waiting on him to cut the 3 fields of hay. And I said, there's my garden full of weeds and some corn. And some sunflower seed. Sunflower plants are here, the gigantic ones. My reasoning for staking these out, I can run the tiller down the row here just to get rid of these weeds, which I intend on doing, but I was kind of waiting for things to grow a bit. And there's the other garden over the big one. Same thing. And I made a mistake. I put cow manure in on top of this, mixed it in. So that's probably where most of the weeds are coming from. So if you ever have to use manure, make sure it's sterilized. Well, on that note, I'm going to finish my deer skin. Give Skittles some time here. I haven't been on in a while, but it's been kind of busy. All right, well, I'll talk to you folks later. Next video, I'll try to have my 4 chickens in the video. And I apologize for the wind, but it's getting pretty windy here all of a sudden. No, you're not coming out. You're a prisoner. No, you can't come out. Don't try and jump up in the door. You waiting for your food? You need food? Are you fading away to a shadow? All right, I'll come feed you in a minute. Okay, we'll talk to you guys later. We'll go feed that chunky cat. Talk to you later. Goodbye.